Today I'm going to be performing the neurological exam. I'm going to assess first the optic nerve, which is cranial nerve 2, by measuring visual acuity using the Snellen chart. Can you read this line for me?
LPED.
And then I would have her cover both of her eyes, and then I would read down the chart. I'll also assess the cranial nerve 2 by assessing the visual fields by confrontation. So just let me know when you can see my hands.
Now.
Okay. And now I will assess cranial nerves 2 and 3. 3 is the ocular motor by doing the pupillary responses and the NURS test. So first I'll just have you look straight ahead. And then I'll do the NURS test. Thank you. Okay, now I will assess cranial nerves 3, 4, and 6. 3 is the ocular motor, 4 is the trochlear, and 6 is the abducens by doing the acuity fields. So I'll just have you look at my finger and follow it. And I'll also assess convergence using the convergence test. I'll next assess the trigeminal nerve, which is cranial nerve 5, and I'll have you open your mouth, thank you, and then I'll have you move your jaw from side to side, thank you. And let me know if you feel any pain when I do this movement. This movement, any pain?
Nope.
Okay, on this side?
Nope.
Okay, thank you. Now I will assess cranial nerve 7, which is the facial nerve. So I'll have you scrunch your face like this. Thank you. And that is the facial nerve. And next I will assess the cranial nerve 8, which is the vestibulocochlear nerve, by performing a whisper test. I can also perform the Ryan and the Weber test. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to whisper behind you, and you let me know what you hear.
8.
Thank you. Next, I will assess cranial nerve 9, which is the glossopharyngeal, and the vagus nerve at the same time. I'll ask you to open your mouth, please, and stick out your tongue. Thank you. And wiggle it from side to side. Thank you. So wiggling from side to side was assessing cranial nerve 12, which is the hypoglossal nerve. But while her mouth was open, I was also looking for symmetry of the uvula and of the tongue when she was sticking out, and that assesses, and the soft palate. I will now assess cranial nerve 11, which is the spinal accessory nerve. If you could raise your shoulders for me. Thank you. And that concludes the neurological assessment, cranial nerves 2 through 12. Thank you.